Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's look at another question from the DP-700 exam. Here's the scenario. You have two lake houses, Lake House 1 and Lake House 2. Lake House 1 contains the staging data in Delta table named OrderLines table. Lake House 2 contains dim customer, and this is a type 2 slowly changing dimension table. Now you need to create a new fact table named fact orders. And the fact table must support two things: analysis based on historical attributes and analysis based on current attributes. Now pause here. This one is all about type 2 SCD join logic. Here's the key idea. A type 2 dimension does not store just one row per customer. It stores multiple rows, one row for each version of the customer over time. So when we join a fact table to a type 2 dimension, we cannot just join on customer ID. We must join to the correct version of the customer record. And how do we decide which version is correct? By using time. Now look at the join structure. The base join between fact and dimension is straightforward: customer ID to customer ID. But for a type 2 dimension, that alone is not enough. Now look at the two additional conditions after the join. These conditions decide which version of the customer we pick. Let's look at them one by one. First condition, valid from. The condition is order date greater than or equal to valid from date time. This ensures that the order happened after this version of the customer became valid. So we are not linking an order to a customer version that didn't exist yet. Second condition, valid to. The condition is order date less than valid to date time. This ensures that the order happened before this customer version expired. So we are not linking an order to an old expired version. When we put it all together, the final join logic becomes onOrder.CustomerID equals customer.CustomerID and order date greater than or equal to valid from and order date less than valid to. This is the gold standard join pattern for type 2 SCD dimensions. Now let me highlight a very important exam trap. Why not just use is current equals 1? Because if you do that, you lose historical accuracy. Old orders get linked to the current customer version, and your reports become incorrect. Time-based joins preserve both historical analysis and current analysis. So here's the rule you should memorize for the DP-700 exam. Type 2 SCD join equals equality join plus time range, fact date greater than or equal to valid from, and fact date less than valid to. If you see valid from and valid to in the answer options, that is almost always the correct choice. That's it for this DP-700 hotspot. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment next for more type 2 SCD questions. See you in the next one.